Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video because Overstock has a new MasterCard version of their credit card. Now, before they used to only have the store card, but now they have a MasterCard version where you can use anywhere. Now, you can use two options with this. You can use the shopping cart trick to see if you can get the pop-up and get qualified without a hard inquiry pull, or if that pop-up is not working for you, you can get a soft pull pre-approval by going to the link and seeing if you can pre-qualify. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. And I also have negative item removal packages for purchase at my website. I always leave the link in the description of my video and in the pinned comment section. And I am now this year doing the one-on-one credit consultations to help you coach and strategize you on the best way to improve your credit score. So if you want to sit down with me one-on-one, I will leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, I first suggest you guys trying to do the shopping cart trick to see if you can get the pop-up that work for you. Now, if you're not familiar with the shopping cart trick, this is when you put over $250 worth of merchandise in your shopping cart. And what you will do is pick an item, put it into your shopping cart. I like to pick an item that's way over that $250 mark to make sure that I get approved. And I would put it into the shopping cart to make sure that the item itself is enough to give me the pop-up. Now, what you want to do is go for really big ticket items so you know you have enough in the cart to get your pop-up, as you should. So many people would try, like myself, I'm going for the couch because I know that's going to make the marker to make the pop-up come up. Now, as you're checking out, you want to make sure you check out as a guest. You don't want to create an account. You can just go straight to the checkout. Now, one thing that you guys got to keep in mind to get this pop-up, you do need to have been registered to opt out pre-screen and factor remainder trust. So when you put in your information here, you should be able to get your pop-up. Now, if you get this pop-up, that means they picked up your information in the system and you're approved. Now, with this is the Overstock store credit card. So this would just be the regular credit card and not the MasterCard. So if you guys are getting this pop-up, you want to make sure you're getting the MasterCard pop-up. And if it is not the MasterCard and you guys want to go for the store card, you can still opt to take this. But with the store card, it's only purchases at the store. And as you can see there in that title, it said pre-screen and opt out. So that means that this is picking up this information from opt out pre-screen. So this is how they're able to approve you for a credit card without getting that information from your credit reports directly with a hard inquiry pull. Now, going this route, you can be approved without a hard pull, just via this soft pull. But if you're not getting this pop-up, your second option, you can go and see if you're pre-approved by doing the soft pull pre-approval. Now with that, it's just going to show if you fit into the credit profile of what they are looking for, and then you can go ahead and pull the trigger. Now, if you're a person that's trying to build credit, this card offers no annual fee. So this is a good option instead of going with a subprime credit card, and they offer you 3% in O rewards on apparel, 5% of O rewards on Overstock purchases, 2% of O rewards on gasoline, and 1% of O rewards on everything else. The O rewards is a program that is exclusively tied to Overstock, and this card gives you special financing up to 60 months with Overstock. Now, this card does have a higher APR of 31.49%. So that is one of those things that if you are a person with a premium credit score, this might not be a better option for you. There are probably better selections out there. For you people that's trying to build your credit score, the entry level to get in with this credit card, you will only need a 640 credit score to go for the MasterCard version. And now with the store card version, you only need a 580 credit score and up. And with this credit card, you would be looking to be pulled from either Equifax or Experian. Now, always remember, a pre-qualification does not mean it's a guarantee. It just gives you a 80 to 90% chance that you will get approved, but you still can be denied, and it will result in a hard inquiry whether you take the card or not if you fully apply. So I hope this information was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section or contact me at my website. All your questions go directly to my cell phone, and I look to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.